His name is Preston. I'm serious. Preston.
Who can eat the most eggs in 2 minutes? Every sixth egg is topped with cayenne. Son of a...
I just thought it steady.
Breathe in.
I breathed in when I was eating this, and it went in my throat, and I couldn't handle it.
As many eggs as you can eat in 2 minutes. Every sixth egg is topped with cayenne pepper instead of paprika.
I'm Zach.
Damien.
Emma.
Aaron. Brody.
Okay, 20 don't fit on a plate, so let's eat 12. My name is Clint Eastwood.
Math. You ate 9.
All right,
What if you eat more than 12?
Are you ready? No.
Now, if you think you're going to eat more than 14, make yourself a second plate.
Hey, Ryan, you win if you snort the cayenne.
Oh, yeah. The Cayenne Challenge.
Yeah, there you go.
Amy!
You gotta do this.
Wait.
Your name's on the list.
You got no Cayenne pepper.
You gotta have
What
one
is
like
this?
Scott's got cayenne.
What is that? Why is this in my egg?
What is it?
Is this the cayenne with the
Everybody has.
Do you have anything to say?
No.
Okay, so
I need a Budweiser. Where's my Budweiser?
Let's get in. Here we go. Everyone sit down.
Yes, sir.
Except you, because you're the boss.
I'm gonna stand.
You tell us when. Count us 3, 2, 1, and we go.
Okay, so everybody's ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
In like 2 minutes, we're all gonna be like water.
I got 3 down.
Jesus, Damien, not going
Is that cayenne?
Everybody's chilling.
I don't know about this one. Oh, it's not bad. We're good. We're good. We got this.
You go, buddy. Just keep going. Look, oh my God, he's almost on a plate. Naturally. Just keep going. Holy shit. He's like, this nothing.
Good damn chin. He doesn't have to chew.
Brody's going hard too. Brody's in there.
Oh, look at Ray.
Brody's winning, I think. Brody's winning. Brody's up by like.
Don't let Aaron throw you up, son.
He's hiding over here. He's got almost played that.
Just fold the plate, Ryan, and just shovel it. Garfield them.
Just breathe it in.
Come on!
Hey, I don't like Ryan.
Brody's done with a plate. Ron, go! There you go, he's done with a plate.
Mike, what's wrong?
Down to a minute
Saves
20
myself.
left. Alright, you got a minute, so you better start shoveling.
That's your winner. He's gonna win it all.
Everybody hates you.
He's already played. He's already played any.
A minute.
2 seconds.
A minute.
He's your winner. I did 2 minutes. It's up.
He's not going to make it.
It's over. It's done. That was 2 minutes.
You got 49, 48, 47.
Zach, you're gonna win.
Zach's gonna win, guys. Come on, Ron.
Go hard, Brody. Zach's gonna win.
30 seconds. 30 seconds, Rody.
Swallow it. Just swallow it right now. He's like, don't think about
Well, Scott.
Look at this plate.
Chris is gonna finish a plate before you. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
He's got it. Zach's got it. Parts.
Hey, Zach. Kill that thing.
You gotta videotape the puke. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
What the hell?
I want some of that metabolism, man.
Waldo wins. Vultures win.
He's like, can I take these home? I don't even like deviled eggs, bro.
They're good.
We just smashed like
These are very tasty deviled eggs. I have to admit, those were really good.
Shout out to Aurora and Carrie.
Shout out to Aurora and Carrie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Will doesn't realize the timer's expired. He's like, no.
Hey, what's the next challenge?
Beer, wings.
Beer.
Beer.
I'll join that.